This is 1964 Liberty in God We Trust. 5 cents. A rare old winch of the United States of America. 5 cents. The current price is 46,800. Please subscribe, follow, give stars, comment, like, heart, share, and download. Please call or text +63 99 7692 2374. Antonio C. Bacor, Purok 4, Macalaya, Placer, Surigao del Norte, Philippines. Comment your price on the comment section so that we will know the interested buyer of this 1964 5 cents. This is your chance to have this kind of rare queens, liberty in God we trust. So comment your price. The current price for bid is 46,800. So it's now your bid price to comment on the comment section so that we will know your buying price. Don't forget to call +63 99 7692 2374. Call Antonio C. Bacor.